Hello, hello. I'm gonna show you something that it's really amazing. As I have created an AI bot using Python. Okay. Uh, at the moment, you're you're seeing the platform that it's creating uh, a GUI, uh, uh, GUI program for me. Uh, Let me show you. If I run the program now, okay, I'm gonna click to the over here, and I'm gonna generate the PY that I created. Okay, the Python code, and you're gonna see the result. In fact, I gave a prompt to AI, and it's it's generating the code for me. I told him exactly what to do for me, and it created an amazing program. Uh, in fact, what I'm creating at the moment, because I'm gonna create the program that it generates uh, other programs for you, and that is gonna be able to purchase from online. But at the moment, I'm showing you, and I'm gonna show even the procedure that how I create this kind of programs. But the point is, the new program that you're gonna see right now, it's this one. It's a program that it's storing uh, each one of my, you see, each one of my prompts. When I click to each one of those, I get a prompt. If I need to search and I want something for lead sleep, let's say, you see that it's filtering easily the prompts. And when I want to add something, I can just write here a title and just write down my prompt. Okay. What I'm trying now to do is to be able so that any one of you that you're running the code and in fact you're gonna be able to open AI token so that you can add your token and make the program automatically communicate using this token and produce the result from using the particular prompt. So what I'm presenting here, it's an application that it stores all your prompts. I know that you're keeping so many notebook txt files and so many ways trying uh, to organize your prompts. I'm totally sure about that because I'm a marketer and I'm an advertiser too, and I know exactly what's going out there. Okay, we are dealing with AI, and we want to organize all those prompts. So, what you're looking at right now, you're watching at the program that it's storing all of those prompts, and it gives you the ability to execute those prompts. In fact, at the moment when I click, let's say I want to produce a famous AI swipe over here. That's another program that I really use, and it's amazing. It generates amazing platforms uh, and web apps just writing your prompt, because we are living to the AI age, and we have to follow uh, you know, just ride the wave. So, if you want to learn how all those things are being done, it's okay. You're learning to code. But if you want to go faster, you just let AI to do the hard work for you. So let's try. I just gave the AI bot that I created. Um, I gave it a prompt to create for me a way so that when I click execute selected prompt to execute the prompt and show me to a new window what uh, what is going to be the output of calling AI using the AI API and show me. You see, now it's asking for the OpenAI token to execute the prompt. I'm gonna add it over here. You see, I have added a menu that it has the OpenAI token. It's supposed to store this AI token here so that it's gonna be able to use it. Give me a moment to add the OpenAI API token. Okay, I added the token. Let's try it together to see what's going to happen. You see, I got confirmation that the OpenAI token has been saved successfully. I click OK, and let's try again to see if the bot managed to create what I asked before, or I'm going to have to work more on my prompt. And as you can see, we have just the prompt result that it says it has just the prompt inside, and it's starting with executed prompt. Okay, it's not giving me the result. It's not giving me what I'm asking for. Okay, so we got everything here. We got our AI prompts. We can easily search and filter those AI prompts. It's it's already something that it's very practical for any one of you. You can realize how important this program is, and I'm just checking to see if I can easily have even the AI prompt uh, output it to a new window. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to this channel because I already showcase a lot of AI programs and a lot of AI amazing tools. And this this particular project that I'm working on, it's gonna help you a lot, and you're gonna love it. Okay, trust me, because it's gonna give you the ability uh, to save a lot of time generating your own content, or generating your swipes, or generating your own programs. That's really amazing. Think about that. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.